Alright, so I was just informed that Best Buy has launched an official app for the Apple Vision Pro. So you know we gotta take a look at this. So let me go here. It's called Best Buy Envision. We click on it, and then it gives you a few categories. We have TV and home theater, appliances, computers and tablets, health, wellness, fitness, furniture. So let's go to appliances and see what that looks like. I click on that. So basically, the things show up in 3D, and since I'm standing, I can move closer so you can guys get a better view of what's going on. These little 3D models even have a little bit of detail, as you can see. So right now, if we take a few steps back, you get the product, you get the rating, you get the price, you get the number of reviews. Also, you can view it in room. But let's look at something interesting here. So we scroll through the appliances. We come to some refrigerators, right? So if I take a step back here, if I want to view this refrigerator in this current hallway, we're going to click view in a room. And then I just need to point it toward the ground. And it's not going to let me do it. That's weird. Oh, there it is. And boom. Now we have a live refrigerator right here in front of my face. And this life size, this is literally how it will look in your house depending on where you choose to set the 3D model at. So if I wanted to put a refrigerator right here in the middle of my hallway, it will look just like this. So these arrows here are to cycle between products. So if I click the right arrow, you get another refrigerator. Go again, you get a smaller freezer size thing. Click the back arrow, you go back to the previous product, hit the eye icon. It gives you the information about the product. Pretty cool stuff. So let's see, anything else we want to scroll through? Let's go check another category real quick here. Let's go to health and wealth fitness. Yeah, health, wellness, and fitness. So, we have a full gravity full body massage chair. I don't know if you guys have ever sat in one of these, but they are divine. So I don't think I have enough space, or do I? I do. So, I mean, at this point, the chair won't even fit my hallway, but we gonna make it happen anyway. So look, we can walk up closely and see a little bit of detail. You got some buttons over here. You got a knob turning on. Looks like an on-off switch. Obviously, you have areas for your feet and different things like that. Even has a USB plug on a chair. Most of these modern chairs do. And yeah, this is just some of the cool stuff that you can do with the new Best Buy Envision app on the Apple Vision Pro. Make sure you hit subscribe for more Apple Vision Pro content.